Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix error code 0x800701B1 on Windows. First method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Select Disk Volume, click Action, click Rescan Disks. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand disk drives, right-click Drives, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is Open File Explorer, right-click Drive, click Properties. Click Security tab, click Advanced. Type your username, in my case my username is admin. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, drive letter colon. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.